And we'll put some Permatex on the bottom of the cylinders and install the gaskets. Then put more Permatex on the gasket. Now we'll oil up the rings real good and the skirts of the pistons. Then we'll slide the cylinders on. Okay, I oiled the pistons and rings up. You'll notice on the tops of the pistons there's marks. I identified which piston came with which cylinders. They should be fitted to the cylinders. Maybe they don't do that anymore because everything's so precision, but I mark them anyway and keep the piston with the cylinder that it came with. Now I'll get the ring compressor out.
So, from 98.1 WOGL, Rock and Ron, the Elvis and Friends Show. Don't forget, a celebration of 30 years of the Elvis and Friends radio show.
Now before you put the cylinders on, check all your pistons and make sure the arrows are pointing towards the flywheel. Also give your piston pin retainers another check, make sure that they're seated correctly. Then you can proceed to put the cylinders on. Also make sure that your rings are staggered properly. The top two rings, the gaps approximately here, and the bottom ring, no gap on the bottom of the cylinder. Well, you missed putting this cylinder on because the battery went dead in the camera and I didn't see it. So what I do is I put the two cylinders on in the front of the engine that are out with the crankshaft has them out to full reach. That way, when I turn the crank to do these two cylinders, it just pulls the cylinders in towards the case instead of having cylinders move away from the case and everything. So I'll do number 4 now.
Your sleep number setting at the touch of a button. A higher sleep number setting for more firmness, a lower number for softer support. And since every day is different, you can always find your perfect sleep number anytime, because the most comfortable sleep is the one you control yourself.
First I'll check the rings and put them where they should be.
Every night. Find any of our 450 stores at sleepnumber.com. Sleep Number, it's the bed that counts. Come into a Sleep Number store today for your free mini travel pillow while supplies last. See store for details. Find us at 14 Philadelphia locations, including Willow.
Make sure the oil ring's spaced okay.
Valley and Valley Square Shopping Center, or visit us at sleepnumber.com.
And the gaps in no ring should be lined up together.